today we'll draft V neck, straight V neck. Okay, before class we saw the square neck, right? And here we need ready shoulder. How much ready shoulder you want? Here my ready shoulder is 2 inches and neck deep. Deep is how much deep you want, you can take it. I am taking 9.75 inches neck deep. Okay, and pattern is V. Now how much we have to do minus, now only let's see. Okay, how much we have to do minus? For this one we have to use the shoulder minus chart, right? For the shoulder minus chart, ready shoulder is 2 inches. Okay, and neck is V and deep is 9.75 inches. 9.75 inches means in between 8 to 10. How much we have to do minus? Minus 2. Okay, minus 2. From where we have to do minus? From full shoulder. Full shoulder minus 2 divided by 2. That is some 12 divided by 2. 6 inches will be getting. Okay, now we have to mark 6 inches. Where we have to mark everything, let's see one by one. Now draw one straight line. .5 inches neck width. Here the neck width is 2.5 inches and shoulder divided by 2. 1 inch down marking. Now join these two. Okay. Next, armhole marking. For the armhole marking, chest divided by 6 plus 0.5 inches. Chest is 33 inches. 33 divided by 6 plus 0.5, 6 inches. From 1 inch down marking, we have to mark 6 inches. And draw one straight line. On this, this is called chest line. Here we have to mark the chest round. For the chest round marking, chest plus 2 inches losing. Chest plus 2 inches losing divided by 4. Whatever the chest is there. Here the chest is 33 inches. 33 plus 2 inches losing divided by 4. 8.75 inches. From the armhole side, we have to mark 8.75 inches and 1 inch margin. Okay, now ready shoulder. Okay, already we did here ready shoulder minus chart. Okay, next one is shoulder minus chart. For the shoulder minus chart, already we calculated the value. Okay, we are getting 6 inches. Now we have to mark 6 inches from here, from the armhole side on the shoulder line. We have to mark 6 inches. Same 6 inches on the chest line. Join these 2 points and draw one straight line. Now here also draw one straight line. Now mark the center from here to here, center marking. Okay. Now cross marking here. Now I am drafting for the back block. For the back block, if your chest is less than 40, 1 inch. If your chest is greater than 40, 1.25 inches. So from here I am marking 1 inch because the chest is 33 inches. Now join these two. Now ready shoulder marking. For the ready shoulder marking from here, okay, before ready shoulder marking from here to here, mark the center. from the center marking, take your neck deep as well as full length plus 1 inch extra. Here we have to remember one more point. For the neck deep, okay, see, this is V neck, okay. For the V neck we have to do one thing. Whatever the deep is there, here the deep is 9.75 inches. Whatever the deep is there, deep minus 0.75 inches we have to do, okay. Because what happened is, this is V neck, right? Here we are drafting like this. After marking we are stitching, see, this is 0.5 inches stitching. Like this will be getting here half inch for the stitching, but after stitching, see here how much gap we are getting, extra gap we are getting, okay. Same marking if you are taking, what happened is you will be getting more than 9.75 inches. That's why before only we have to do minus 0.75 inches, that marking we have to do it, okay. So from here to here we are marking 9.75. Whatever the deep is there, deep minus 0.75 inches we have to mark. Now deep is 9.75 inches. 9.75 minus 0.5, 9 inches. And full length plus 1 inch, 15 inches, okay. This is for the neck deep and this is full length. Waist round marking. Waist round marking is whatever the waist round is there. Waist round plus 1 inch losing divided by 4. 7.25 inches. From the armhole side we have to mark 7.25 inches and 1 inch margin. Join chest line and the waistline. Margin, okay, main marking and main marking. Now here ready shoulder marking. For the ready shoulder marking, okay, whatever the ready is there, here ready is 2 inches. From the arm side, ready plus 1 inch, 2 plus 1, 3 inches. Here the neck deep crosses the chest line. See, here the neck deep crosses the chest line. Then from here take 0.5 inches straight line and draw one straight line and one more. Here take 0.25 inches. Take a shoulder slope. Why we are doing this and all? Because the shoulder falling problem for the deep neck. That's why we are doing this entire minus, okay. Now this is the ready shoulder, right? From here to here join. Before class we drafted different necklines, right? If you want you can refer again, okay. This is the V neck. Then let's start cutting. See, you will be getting V necklines.